Hello children. Okay, so in the last class we stopped in the discussion of methods of irrigation. So let me show some pictures here, the traditional methods of irrigation. By seeing only the picture you people cannot understand. I think in the classroom I would have explained, but let us see, no problem. We'll go through the video one.
Methods of irrigation. In this module, you will learn about different methods of irrigation. Water is essential for the germination and growth of crop plants. Water is supplied to agricultural fields either naturally through rainfall or artificially through canals or other systems. The artificial supply of water to agricultural fields is called irrigation. Irrigation can be done using different methods. Before learning about these methods, let us find out how irrigation is important for crop production. In the absence of rainfall, irrigation maintains the minimum amount of moisture required for crop production. It maintains proper growth of crops and helps to protect them against frost and hot air currents. The duration, time gap and amount of irrigation are determined by the type of soil and crop and also the season in which a crop is sown. Different methods of irrigation have been used since humans took to agriculture. The traditional methods of irrigation are a moat or pulley system, a chain pump system, dhekli system, and rahat system. Of late, these methods of irrigation have been replaced with modern methods like sprinkler system and drip system. Let us learn about all these methods, starting with the traditional methods. A moat system is one of the simplest and cheapest irrigation systems. In this, water is drawn from a well or water source by a bucket attached to a rope. The rope is passed over a pulley and fixed to an animal. The animal walks down an earthen slope away from the well to lift water. The water is then emptied into a channel and the fields are irrigated. In a chain pump system, two large wheels connected by a chain are positioned at an angle to each other. One wheel is near the source and the other is near the sink. One end of the chain dips into a pool of water. The chain carries the buckets. As the wheel turns with the help of a shaft and handle, the buckets dip into the pool and draw water. The chain then lifts the buckets to the upper wheel, where they are tipped and dumped into an upper pool. The chain then carries the empty buckets down to be refilled. The water in the pool is then released by gates into channels, which act as artificial streams to water the crops. In the dhekli system of irrigation, water is drawn from a water source